Register later. I don't care. We're playing Little Bear. Did it get the screen perfectly? Did it get the screen perfect? Huh.
Little bear, little bear. Here I am, Mother Bear.
There he is. Little Bear.
What can we do, Mother Bear?
Anything you want. You choose.
Hooray!
Look around the room. There are many fun games to play.
Alright. Oh, we're playing Little Bear. And we're doing Little Bear stuff. What kind of Little Bear stuff? The fun Little Bear stuff. Like activities. Hello, Mother Bear.
Look around the room. There are many fun. Look. Look around the room. There are.
Move the mouse and click the button to choose a game. Move the mouse. Dress up is fun. Let's dress up, me and my friends.
Oh, dress up. Hey, Franklin did this already. Franklin did this already, dude. Chicken. Yeah, Franklin did this already, dude. You, okay? But he didn't have his friends. Wow, this is
I like this game.
this conveniently fits chicken.
And looks silly.
Oh, hen. Sorry. Sure, why not? There's the owl. Get their Yeezys on, dude. Those Yeezys on.
Dressing up is fun.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got swag. Yeah, he's got swag. Yeah. Oh, the cat. Little sweater on the cat. It's getting a little cold out there, you know.
Cat looks so fancy.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about that. Oh, the little booties. Gotta get the booties on. Ooh, duck.
Duck's new outfit is very nice.
Yeah, I guess it's nice. What we got, Franklin? Huh? Want this on, dude? Sure. Get a little hat on. Sure. Yeah, you're looking kind of stylish, Franklin. You know, I guess you are. Ooh, you want to go fishing?
Hey, I look great.
And if you want to play some music to the fish, sure. There you go. Is that it? Okay, we got all of them.
Click on one of the dress-up things. Let's do something else.
Okay, well there's one game down.
We can make a picture with stickers. Let's use the stickers to make a picture.
No, it's
Mother
another
Bear grows
one.
lots of vegetables in her garden.
Whoa, dude, his dad's got the drip. What the hell? Okay, his dad's got the drip. And his other dad's got the drip. Dad 1 and Dad 2. And they're gonna go camping in the garden. Oh. Okay, well, never mind.
That's my room.
Okay. We're gonna go camping.
Camping out is lots of fun.
Dad's camping.
Excuse me, I think the word you're searching for
With
is space
with
race.
Dad too. Sweet Donut. Sweet D. Thank you. Welcome to the Space Ranger Corps. And it's got a bowl. And he's
I set my laser from stun to kill.
Hero Bun. Thank you also for the follow. All right. Well, that's pretty much that
Let's
game.
do something else.
What do we got? We already did that. We already did that.
We can paint a beautiful picture.
Paint a
Look
beautiful
at all the
picture.
colors and tools we can paint with. And we can mix two colors together to make a new one in here.
You already know. You already know what we're gonna do. You already know, dude. Creepypasta, creepypasta, little bear, little bear. He bleated me, he bleated me. Little bear is angry, little bear is angry. Little bear bleeds at me. He bleeds. He he bleeds. Little bear bleeds. Creepypasta, creepypasta, little bear kill. Oh my god. Oh my god. Little bear bleeds at me. He screams, he screams. Cursed game, cursed game.
Let's do something else. Let's print out something to do. We can print out lots of games to play and projects to do.
Ask an adult to read the directions and help you get started.
Hey, I don't have a printer. And I don't live with my parents, so I can't really do this. Rock, paper, weights. I can't do this one. I don't even have a printer. And yeah, I can't do this.
Let's do something else.
That one sucked.
Matching games are challenging. Let's play a matching game. Choose a game with 8 or 12 cards, then turn over the... This is fun.
Got the owl here.
Have we a match? These two go together. Hooray! We did it! Let's play again.
Sure.
A match. Have we seen a match? These two go together. This is fun. That's right. We did it. Let's play again.
Do we have to?
Let's do something else.
Okay, well that was quick. Let's
A
play this.
puzzle.
Okay, we're playing a puzzle.
Interesting.
We're gonna play a
Puzzles
puzzle.
are a lot of fun. I wonder if we can put the pieces together to make a picture.
All right.
That's it.
Bada
Let's do
boom.
another one.
We got this one down. Can we change the picture? Can we change it? I guess these are just scenes from the movie. All right, not the movie, the show. What am I talking about? From the show.
Hooray! That was fun. Want to do another one?
Sure. Bada bing. Bada
That's right.
bada boom.
That's a nice picture. Should we try and...
Ooh, let's make this one harder.
Perfect fit.
Let's just make an elevator
Hooray!
sounds.
That was fun. Want to do another one?
I already did this one.
Let's
Anyways,
do something else.
that's the end of that game. Let's see what else. Kitchen.
Let's make ginger friend cookies.
I like to try new recipes to
What,
see if I
Ted?
can make my ginger friend cookies even
Ginger
better.
friend cookies.
Can you help me try the recipe on the card? I'll read the ingredients and
Okay.
you put them in the bowl. Let's
Sure.
add 1 cube of butter.
Okay, that's fine. Sure.
2 cups of sugar will be just right.
Cups of sugar.
We need 1 more cup of sugar.
Mix in 2 cups of flour.
We need 1 more cup of flour.
Pour in 2 tablespoons of molasses.
Molasses.
We need 1 more tablespoon of molasses.
We need 1 egg. The dough looks great. Thank you for your help.
No
Now
problem.
I can roll it out. The dough is ready to cut out. Which cookie cutter do you want to use first?
I want one.
This one looks like me.
I want a little bear. Yeah.
Cat cookies will be fun.
I want the cat. I want the
Oh,
chicken.
it's hen.
A hen. Sorry. And I want.
Owl will like this one.
Those look wonderful. I'll put them in the oven now. The cookies are ready. Look at all the icings and decorations you can put on them.
And then it was a creepy pasta, and they're all evil, and they're bleeding. Oh my goodness, they're sprinkles too. Can't forget about sprinkles.
Great. Now we have cookies to eat.
Is that it? Is that all the games? Oh, you want cookie too, Mama Bear?
Mmm. Oh, these are so good.
Thanks for the cookie. We can make a picture with. Let's use the stickers to. Let's do something else.
No, I want to feed more cookies to Little Bear.
Thanks for the cookie.
Mmm.
Thanks for the cookie.
Hey, he's saying thanks, okay? It's not forced. He's being thankful, okay?
Thanks for the cookie.
He's being thankful. Okay.
Mother Bear, look. It stopped raining. May I go outside to find my friends?
Of course you can. Have fun, little bear.
Thank you. See you later.
Okay. That was all the mini games for that one. We finished that one. So that's the end of that. Let's see.